Welcome everyone, welcome to the channel. So yeah, today what we're gonna do, we're gonna test the new DJI Neo2. We're gonna test it on a mountain bike trail. We're gonna go all the way up in the mountains, hiking, and test out how it's gonna do. Today is gonna be the first time me testing the drone in its full capability with the transceiver installed on it. Yeah, we're gonna see how this is gonna go. Keep watching, see what's gonna happen. Who's this drone for? Well, this drone is for small content creator that is looking for something lightweight, reliable, good flying time, doesn't want to carry too much chemical. Okay, the Neo 2 has much more capabilities than its predecessor, starting with the obstacle avoidance, which allows me to do what I'm doing right now, avoiding any obstacles. So right now, what we're going to do, we're going to test these capabilities on the mountain trail and see how far we get. I've got 3 batteries, I've got charger, and let's see what's going to happen. Okay, let's talk about the capability of this drone. So yeah, what I'm doing now, I'm hiking up on the mountain trail at minus 13 degrees. This is already a challenge. The spec says that the battery would work up until minus 10 degrees or better. Their functions are dropping already below 5 degrees, and the battery will last less and less as it's getting colder. The max temperature is minus 10 degrees. So yeah, we spoke about the weight. Compared to its predecessor, the Neo 2 has around 30 grams, 25-30 grams difference, making it slightly heavier than its predecessor. Another great feature that is worth mentioning on the DJI Neo 2 is its camera. The camera has a half-inch sensor with an aperture 2.2, allowing great shots 4K up to 60 FPS. Finishing up some of the feature of the Neo needs to include the hand gesture controls. This allows the drone to be piloted without any controller, and it can be moved in the space. Another great feature then is the 2-axis gimbal that allows a complete stabilized footage without the need to go through external software like gyroflow. The Neo 2, as its predecessor, can be flown in 3 different ways on its own, with all the quick shots available within the drone, with the RC2 controller, or in complete FPV mode. Some of the intelligent feature in the Neo 2 includes quick shot, master shot, dolly zoom, and selfie shot, which are completely missing in the original Neo, which only had quick shots. In today's video, I'm gonna test some of the feature of the Neo 2 on a mountain bike track. I'll be hiking here on the mountain. I'm gonna try to do a cinematic shot, pulling up a random sequence, let's call it that way, without any script, and see how the drone is going to perform at minus 12 degrees in the mountain here in Poland, completely frozen up. So as I go along the trail, I'm going to stop and take some footage, which, as I said, I'm going to put together in a small sequence at the end of the video. Stay along, keep watching the video. If you do enjoy the video, drop a like or a comment, or even consider subscribing to the channel. Okay, so what I want to try to do now as a first shot is using the drone low on the ground, fixed position, like steady camera, just walk through the shot, and to capture the moment of the hike. Okay, so let's see how that's gonna turn. Okay, so the first drone shot has been made. Okay, it looks good. It looks good. Well, obviously, I'm gonna edit it later in the sequence and see how it's gonna look. What I wanted to point out first is the quality audio. Probably is not of the greatest one. I'm using an external microphone that I bought on TikTok. I'm not quite sure about the quality of it. So if anyone of you has any suggestion on which external microphone I could purchase for my next video, please let me know in the comments and I will have a look at it. So now let's move forward. I'm ready for the next shot. Drone is already in position up there. I don't know if you can see it. My intention is to have the drone up in the sky with a gimbal position down around 56-60 degrees and walk past through the frame for cinematic look. Let's see how that's going to turn out. Yeah, shots done, looks great. Let's move on. So that's the view so far. I'm on the next spot now. Here's the DJI Neo2. Here's the location. It's quite flat, so my body will allow me to just cycle here. So what I'm gonna do is to put the drone up in a follow me mode from high to get the shot from top down. Let's see how this is gonna turn out. I've got an issue here. I don't know if you can see it. Battery on my second phone is flat. So how am I going to solve this? This is a 27,650 milliamp hour power bank with a 250 watts output. It is a great tool to have on you to keep your electronic charged at all time. It supports up to 2 USB-C ports at the same time and a USB-A for fast charging to keep your electronic fully charged. And in this situation, like this one, it's a great tool to have on you. Check the link in the description and get yours. It's worth it. I got to this other location here, quite interesting. There are these trees here. What I want to do now, the next shot that I want to try to do, the Neo behind the path here. So what I want to do behind the trees, as I go through, okay, I want the Neo to follow me sideways. Let's see if this shot is going to turn out and how it will turn out. Continue with my hike. I'm almost there. There are so many kids down here sliding down through the trail. It was quite cold. So yeah, I'm almost there. I'm going to shoot a few more shots with the drone. As I am approaching my destination, I'm going to show you the surrounding and the view. Probably we can't really see much. Everything is cloudy. It starts snowing a bit as well. So yeah, the drone is charging. It's here. We'll see how that goes. A few more bits and I'll be there. See you up there. Okay, I made it up to the top here. I'm gonna now have hot tea. Have some hot tea. Gonna chill a bit before heading down. My last thought about the DJI Neo. Personally, I think it's a great drone for those that are looking for something that is reliable and useful for the purpose of the hike. It is very lightweight, compact, fits easily in the backpack. Does not hold much space, and the footage that comes out of it, they somewhat of a great footage, idea for YouTube video like this, vlogs and so on. Obviously it is not a professional camera and it's never intended to be. Overall, it's a great little drone, useful for the purpose. This is it pretty much. I'm gonna test the DJI Neo2 as well in FPV mode. Stay connected. Remember to follow the channel, to subscribe to the channel, like and comment the video. Give me suggestions as well on how to perform better in future videos. And yeah, I hope you'll enjoy this little sequence of this hike. And yeah, see you later.
Why did I take my hand off the wheel? I'm like a deer in the headlights. Just can't believe what you think and feel. 'Cause I've been going